Hello po, President. On behalf po ng Seminary and Institute, gusto po namin ipaabot sa iyo ang aming pagbati ng happy birthday. At nagpapasalamat din po kami sa iyong suporta sa Inspired program na ito to bless the lives of our youth and YSA, especially ng Sorsogon District. Nagpapaabot din po ako ng personal kong pagbati sa iyo na happy birthday at nagpapasalamat din po ako sa iyong good example at inspired leadership.
Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa iyo, President, sa walang sawang pagtulong sa aking asawa. Happy birthday po. Stay happy and healthy.
Mahal namin kayo.
Ano ba yun pa?
Happy birthday, President Lazarito!
Good evening po, President Jester Lazarito. Maraming salamat po sa pagiging mabuting leader para sa amin. Hiling po namin sa iyo na naway palagi ka lang po maging malakas ang pangatawan upang makapagpatuloy ka po sa calling na meron ka po sa iyong pamilya at sa simbahan. Maligayang bati po sa inyo, President Jester Lazarito. Happy birthday po. God bless.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, President Lazarito.
So for today, we have 3 wishes for you.
First, I wish you all the best.
Second, I wish you all the kind.
Third, I wish you all the luck.
So that's all. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
One, sabi kita. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, President Lazarito. Thank you.
Hello po, President Lazarito, family and friends. Happy birthday po, President Lazarito. On this special day, you celebrate not just another year of your life, but the incredible leadership, wisdom, and heart you bring to everything you do. May your year ahead be filled with good health and more blessings po. Enjoy your birthday, your special day today. We're so glad, or we're happy that we met you po, kaming family po. We're happy na na-met po namin kayo ng family niyo po. More birthdays to come and more blessings to come po. Enjoy niyo lang po yung day niyo po ngayon. Happy birthday po, President Lazarito. And yeah, happy birthday, President. Hope you enjoy your birthday and stay strong and stay healthy. And yeah, once again, happy birthday from the Queen and Musay family. Happy birthday po, President Lazarito.
Happy birthday, President! More birthdays to come! Love you!
Hello, Bong! Happy birthday! Continue to bless sa mga taong nasa paligid mo. Thank you for being a good example to your siblings, especially sa mga anak mo. Again, happy birthday! Mag-ingat po kayo parate. And see you soon. Happy birthday.
Bong, happy birthday. Ingat lagi. Lalo na sa biyahe mo. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tito Bong. Happy birthday, Tito Bong.
Again, happy birthday, Bong, from the City of Love, Iloilo. Happy birthday. God bless.
Ikaw yung tao na masarap maging kaibigan. Alam mo bakit? Because you are humble. Humble, yet pag nakikinig ako sa mga sinasabi mo, ang dami kong natutunan. At isa sa mga significant thing na hindi ko makalimutan na natutunan sa iyo ay yung having an excellent relationship with the people you work with. So maging professional man at maging sa ating ecclesiastical call or bilang kaibigan, nakita ko na importante yung because nagkakaroon pala ng impact sa mga tao. And for me, that is a Christ-like character. And that is what you have and what you are. So maraming salamat sa friendship mo, hindi kita makalimutan. And happy birthday! Enjoy your day today and always. Have a nice 20th birthday.